Hi, my name's Stuart. I'm one of the partners here at Outdoor Building Group, and we're absolutely thrilled, really delighted to be in partnership with Robertson Homes. This building here is a 4 metre by 3 metre. We have a bifolding door here as well. All of our units come with the internet cable. It's hardwired from the home. Okay, so we have Cat6 cables directly fed from the house out to the building. For everything that you see here, lights, flooring, fully insulated so that it's not some fancy hut, it's something that adds some good value to your property. And on top of that, you can use it all year round, which is really, really important. This cladding, okay, we're the only company in Scotland that use this cladding. This cladding is known as a bodo. As you'll see, the texture of it is beautiful, okay? There is no maintenance. You can just see here some of the key elements of it. So we've cladded the building completely on the front, the sides and the back. It comes as standard, cladded with the bodo features. This example here, 3 metre bifolding door, okay, aluminium. Give you a quick demo of how it's closed. So they're very light, as you see, I'm just using 1 or 2 fingers. Once we get the landscaping and everything done here, you'll just step out onto a bit of landscaping. When you're just quickly coming in and out of the building, you're likely to always use a traffic door. This one here has a single overhang. Some of our clients like a triple overhang, because I know it sounds really sad, but one of the nicest things about these buildings is at night time, when you have friends over and you're entertaining in the back of the garden or in the kitchen, and they look out, it's all sort of lit up at night. And obviously, with the fancy cladding, it just looks really smart. So if you're interested in one of these units for your back garden, maybe you're home working, a bit of entertainment space, or whatever's going to take your fancy, they're really popular at the moment. Please speak to your sales advisor at Robertson Homes and we can arrange to get this installed in your back garden in preparation just after you move in.